Well, I'd like to thank the sponsor, Almost RV Perfect, for sponsoring this video. If you're a DIY person, if you like camping or you like camper vans, Almost RV Perfect publishes these little eBooks with video clips about installing things for your camper van. Bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, solar panels, batteries. There's a whole catalog of these little eBooks, and they're about $4 a piece. Thanks again, Almost RV Perfect, for sponsoring the video. And I may just do a video on how to fix the index for a family member. I actually had to do that for 2 of my family members. Thanks again. Well, I have since learned that there is a whole team of volunteers who is going through this index, making these corrections. So I volunteered to fix David Letterman's index listing. So I've already given it my email address, and it sent me a code, and I put the code in, and it says ready to transcribe. So I'm going to click begin. And let's see, line number, whoop, I got to, let's see here. I think it's line number, well, let me do it. Oh, well, all right, let's fix one I can't see. This is, I think it was line 15, and now I'm not sure. Let me see here. I think it's line 14, I'm going to guess. Okay, I got the 14. Add the transcription, and this is last name, Letterman. First name, Harry Joseph. Yep. Joseph. And I'm going to submit this for line 14. Is this Letterman, Harry Joseph? Yes, submit. All right, and I just submitted it. And I'm going to stop here because I got to double check these line numbers. And if I look over here, yay, it was line 14. All right, well, let's fix Dorothy. She's on 15. So let's see if it'll let me do that. Dorothy Letterman. And this is line 15. Add the transcription. Last name Letterman. First name Dorothy. D-O-R-O-T-H-Y. The middle name, I didn't write it down. I missed her middle name. Enter. As far as I know, that's correct. Thank you very much. Okay, so next is Janice, and she will be on line 16. 16. Add the transcription. Last name Letterman. First name Janice. Oop. Enter. Janice Letterman. And 14, 15, 16. And Dave will be 17. Line 17. Add the transcription. Last name Letterman. First name David. Enter. David Letterman. Submit. And we're done. Now, what happens is this. A moderator will take a look at this submission that I just did, and they will go physically over here and look to make sure it is accurate, and then they will update the index. They're certainly not going to mess with these original documents, but they will update the index so that, and this will take, I don't know, 24, 48 hours, maybe a couple of days. I don't know about that. But from this point forward, you should be able to go into that search engine and put in David Letterman or Harry Letterman or Janice Letterman, and it should take you right to this document. That's how we fixed the index of the 1950 census record. This is Dallas. Thanks for watching the video.